Okay, so I put a vlog up yesterday, a very quick vlog, just to explain why I haven't been on for several months, and I've had that many responses, that many comments. I'm absolutely overwhelmed with this community that we are all in, and there's that many comments, and to be honest, I thought I'd do this quick vlog to basically to thank you all. And unfortunately there's that many comments, it'll take too long to actually go through them and thank everybody individually. So I'd like to use this opportunity, if I may, if you can forgive me, to send my sincere thanks to everybody who's done those kind comments on YouTube and Facebook, and I really appreciate that. I'm not going to answer each individual one because there's that many. I'm just overwhelmed with it, and I'm going to start putting some vlogs up which I will be answering all your comments if you write anything, so please excuse me on this one, but I thought I'd just let you all know that I'm overwhelmed. Thanks very much.